What up, y'all? It's your boy Derek Perry, the chemist, and I am back. I got some more warm audio gear here with me right now. I'm about to unbox it with y'all. Come rock with me. So right here in my hand, I have a WA76 discrete compressor. And in my right hand, I have, that's right, a warm audio cable. Warm Audio is now in the business of cables, and I'm so excited to hear what these cables sound like. I heard a lot about them, how they're double shielded and everything. And just the quality of the cable itself feels amazing to me. So I can't wait to plug these cables in. Thank you to everyone on the team for sending these over to me. Caitlin, you're amazing. So I'm warmed up right now. I got the compressor, I got the new cables. Let's do the unboxing right now. Let's go. Open the box. You see the inside of the box. It's pretty standard boxing. We got the compressor right here. And then we have the power cable right here. And that's pretty simple for this. Let's take it out. Put that there. Put this back in. Let's throw this box over share. I'll just put this box over share. So it's not in my way no more. And here we, oh baby. And here we have the compressor. Let's do it.
So you can break me down, try to take me out, but I'll still be me.
That's the front.
When the morning comes, I'll be waking up, and I'll still be me.
This compressor looks amazing. It's heavy duty. I can't wait to get this in my rack. I'm so excited. And I can't wait to do this review for y'all. Now I know in my last video I said I was gonna do a review on the WA73 EQ, but I knew I was ordering a compressor. So I just waited until the compressor came in so I can do a review with the compressor and the WA73 and my WA87. That's right. Warm Audio, you guys are making amazing products. I cannot wait to get this thing in my rack, hooked up, run some levels, hear what this mic and this preamp and this compressor sounds like. We're just getting started, baby. We got a whole bunch of equipment on the way. We got a whole bunch of more reviews on the way. We got a whole bunch of live videos and live performances and arrangements on the way. Absolutely, we got so much on the way. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell notification so that you know when I have new content on the way. I love y'all. Peace. More content on the way. Stay tuned. Bless.